Hey everyone, I wanted to give you a quick idea of something you can do with your leaves. Talked about leaf cleanups in the last video, and if you've got an excess of leaves that you're having to remove from your lawn, you can blow them into your flower beds, or pick them up and put them in your flower beds. That's going to be really good for your flower beds. It's like a natural layer of mulch that you can just throw on there, especially if you have, like this property's got quite a bit of perennials. They got some ruellia right here and some daisies and stuff back here. They're going to be going completely dormant soon, trimmed back, and then you can get your leaves and put them on top. That's going to add another layer of protection for those throughout the winter, because as you may know, perennials aren't guaranteed to come back. A very hard freeze can kill a perennial and make it struggle to come back the next year. So putting out some leaves over the top of your perennials is going to be very helpful for them, and give them protection over the winter months. So that's a great idea in your flower beds, on your perennials, around trees, around plants. That's not a problem at all, and it's actually going to be beneficial. So that's just an idea for you to do with your leaves if you have an excess of them. So hope that helps. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.